Nityanandam. I'm Manitya Avimuktananda from Mumbai. My son Srinitya Gangadharananda Maharaj is studying in Swamiji's Gurukul since the last 7 years. As a parent, I consider myself to be very fortunate that at the right time we could take a decision to send him to Swamiji's Gurukul. The kind of upbringing which Swamiji has given to these kids is so amazing. As a parent in the outer world, I cannot even cognize of giving this kind of an upbringing. He has empowered our children with so much of Shaktis, with so much of powerful cognitions that they can deal with any situation in their life without any fear, without any anxiety. What more can a parent ask for? Also, the kind of teachings, the kind of way which Swamiji has brought up these kids with the kind of responsibilities that they are able to take at this young age, they are so much contributing towards humanity even at such a young age. It is definitely empowering them every way. The Gurukul system is a very beautiful system of education wherein the kid is allowed to explore its possibilities. They are constantly guided by the Guru, by the Master, and the beautiful relationship, the Guru disciple relationship that we can see here is so intimate and so amazing that it is something which you cannot find in the outer world today. The kind of education system that we have in the outer world is only giving lot of anxiety to the children, lot of unclarity to the children, whereas our Gurukul kids, they are so clear about the purpose of their life. Swamiji is guiding them in every way. For every child, he is there, he is available. This kind of a deep relationship between the Guru and disciple is something which we can see only in the Gurukul system, and this will definitely help them to choose the right things in life. I'm sure that when my son grows up, he will be definitely successful in whatever he does. He will carry himself in the most powerful way and also contribute to the humanity the way his Guru has taught him, the way Swamiji has taught him. The kids in Gurukul are so responsible. They take up responsibilities at such a young age. They are able to contribute to the society in small and big ways at such a young age. This kind of a upbringing is something which is fulfilling each and every one person's life. As a parent, I'm really blessed to have this kind of a education system for my kid. I thank Swamiji for introducing us to this kind of an education system and helping our child to explore his possibilities and improve in his life day by day. Thank you, Swamiji. Nityanandam.